Hello, lockpickers. Today, this is my first attempt at a video for you guys. We got a Master Lock 4. Gold version, says commercial on the box. Very low raking. Opened this numerous times. I'm going to go ahead and pick it for you with my first kit that I received today. I'm going to go with bottom keyway tension. The kit that I picked up is this Dangerfield Serenity, and I'm going to use half diamond. Alright, nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Felt like a small out of 3. 4. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. 3 feels set. 4 feels stubborn. Oh, 3. And what is your problem? There's 4. And boom. And we have it, folks. Thank you. Have a good day.